When we're lifting the lid, we are taking a brave step forward and asking, what if I try again? Because you are going to fail. You haven't been here before. And that is okay. But with every failed attempt, it is a point of data gathering. What if I try a different method, which is also okay? Because that's part of the growth process. And so the mark of success of a person with a growth mindset is trying, and the willingness to try and not give up. The added bonus is that the outcome will be success. So this gives you the impetus and the confidence to try something new. Remind yourself that God, the Creator who speaks things into being, is the same God who created you in His image. So you have creativity and innovation woven into your DNA.